So around about 30 days until the triathlon. Adam, why did you sign up for it? What?
I think it was just a spontaneous thing, wasn't it?
Nice guys, full of enthusiasm, which I'm glad they are for this triathlon, because yeah, it's going to be interesting with 4 weeks to go.
We've done the best we can, haven't we, with the time that we've been given.
We can't finish the race and feel like we had more to give. In terms of preparation, if you had to do it tomorrow, do you think you could do it?
I think we'd make the finish line, but I mean, we've got 4 weeks, or like 30 days. It will definitely be my biggest achievement up to date. So I'm gonna commit the next 4 weeks.
I mean, in terms of the weather, this isn't great, but I'd like to think July will be a lot better than this.
We're determined. So a lot of people wouldn't go out in this, but here we are.
Any pain?
Yes, right.
What does it feel like? Twingy?
See, right now it feels like sort of shooting.
Like get any lower back pain?
Occasionally, yeah.
So Adam, he had lateral hip pain, which I've diagnosed as a gluteal tendinopathy. So he's been progressing through a structured rehab program in which he's doing very well. And Tony, something very similar involving the patellar tendon, which is known as a patellar tendinopathy. All of the tests for patellar tendinopathy are also negative now, whereas obviously before they were positive to diagnose this. He should be pretty much thereabouts as well in 4 to 5 weeks. Still has a few residual symptoms as you'd expect, but the main thing is that they're following a structured rehab program that I've given them, and also been doing some additional strength and conditioning exercises which will optimise their biomechanics.
It could have been a lot worse. I was kind of concerned it was going to be more of the tendinopathy, but it sounds like Tom can get me back up and running and hopefully touch wood.
Me and my dad, we had a lot of good times training together. There's a lot of memories there. Whenever I feel tired or like giving up or I've hit that brick wall, I just think I'm not doing it for me, I'm doing it for him, I'm doing it for my dad.
I think he would love this. He would have supported me all the way through it. He's never done anything like this before. He was really, really fit. Growing up, that was always number one for him. He'd always take me to the gym first thing in the morning. And I'd always, say, should we do X, Y, Z today? And he's like, we need to go to the gym first because that's the most important thing. He's like, that's got to be your priority. It was really big to him, and he passed that down to me. I think when we pick up our stuff, it's going to become a lot more real, especially when we go for our first open water swim.
Stand tall?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, now just go to swim. Turn those arms over if you were swimming. Yeah, forgot now. You should find that actually it feels pretty.
Yeah, there's quite a lot of give there. It feels like there's a bit of momentum with the L.
What you've got to make sure, you even more so than you, is to pull right up on the arms like I have done. Don't worry about where it is on the sleeve. Okay.
Fit good?
Yeah, snug.
Yeah, exactly.
I'll you really recorded.
There we go. Sock.
We're going to have helmets in?
I'm just going to get my heat.
Yeah, we're going to have to practice.
It's going to be tricky in 4 weeks. If you get an injury, then it's probably game over. Possibly those injuries could be the biggest factor. In terms of training, it's going to have to be quite intense. The fact that the triathlon is going to be about an hour and a half is a good thing, because it means that you're not trying to build up sort of loads of endurance. It's more of a case of getting you guys through this. I think they'll get through. I don't think it'll be without eventualities, but I think they'll be fine.
So from your experience, 4 weeks to train for something like this, is that ample time?
Oh yes, loads of time. Yeah, if the swim doesn't kill you, the bike definitely will.
My legs. I can't feel my legs. I am so tired.
I'm already noticing that you're going to have to eat right. You're going to have to fuel up before. And right now, after work, I'm feeling less than fueled up. I can't really put into words how much I'm enjoying this. It just makes you feel alive. It makes you feel like you've got purpose to do something. 12 days to the race. I mean,
I know, it's mad, isn't it? It's quite a while back. Yeah, you're a bit nervous about the swim. We obviously haven't done the full swim yet.
I've got some doubts about my knee holding up, but I've just got to be careful, be confident, and hopefully the adrenaline will see me through.
Only the gods can tell now.
So we've got 20 minutes to suit up.
Oh no, we're lost.
And get in the water. I don't think that's going to happen.
Hey, our trainers. We need to leave the trainers in the bike.
Oh, fuck. You're right. Good luck.
Thanks, man.
Oh my God.
Right, well done then. Get in the water. Come on, chop chop. We're following you all the way.
So he'll fall boys. All 6 boys.
At least you beat some people.
All I can remember from that swim is just the
Looking down, seeing like faces in the water of dead swimmers.
and looking over and seeing slightly goggles that slightly resembled yours and thinking, is that him? But they weren't.
I think when you've got a goal, you can actually push yourself and do a bit more. When you sign up for something like this, you haven't got a choice. Tomorrow will show our results, I suppose.
I think we both know what we're doing this race for. Part of it's for ourselves, for our own mental health, our own mental gains, but we're doing this to show other people that they can do whatever they want if they put their mind to it.
We haven't put all those hours in training not to go out there and give it our best.
We can't finish the race and feel like we had more to give. We've just got to give everything. Just get over that line. Little packs. Let's see what's in them. Look at this. First thing first, the hat. Watch out for the number.
Yeah. And then we've got our names.
Smith. Got enough snacks? Keep going, fella. Go on, son. Dig deep.